Holy moly!
Okay, you know what? just send it. I'm gonna just be ready over here, okay?
Okay!
I'm so scared.